those hooks. Hello guys, again let's continue with city driving a 535 diesel part 2 video. Let's go drive this car in this traffic. Put it on sport so I can select the gears. Ooh, let's close here. Okay, let's go. Let's turn this off. Okay, completely off. Let's go. As I said in part 1, which you can watch at the end of this video, there will be a link to follow. My speedo is not working properly, so you can see higher speeds, but actually I'm not driving more than 50 kilometers as always. .535 diesel, 270 horsepower, stock now 370 after Wagner intercooler, DPF off and cut off, and Pipercross filter and a remap of course. Traffic. Echo up, we see on the right. But echo up, can it do like this? No, I don't think. Again. Let's go up, not wait for this shitty traffic anymore. Holes on these shitty asphalt roads, traffic jams. I like the feeling when you feel the torque of the turbos. It's pretty nice in control, even though it's a E61 with a big rear end and a big boost. It's actually really controllable because you have a good RPM range, like almost like a petrol one. You can still control with the accelerator. So actually it gets so much torque that I don't need to push the pedal too much, and I already got a spin of the tires, of the back tires. Okay, you can stop with the gears. smoking third series in front of us. Very fast machine. Very, very fast machine. Second gear, full throttle. The gearbox has a remap, so it actually reaches the top of the RPM, the ref limiter, and actually stay there. It doesn't switch to next gear. That's the thing that differs from the gearboxes without Echo stage 1 or 2, 3 remap. Also, it's made to downshift faster, to change faster, but it's not stage 3. Stage 3 is really brutal and really destroys gearbox more, so for a daily car I don't need stage 3. Stage 2 and stage 1 are pretty enough. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll now drive the last 5 minutes easily, because the turbo should really get some colder oil inside in order to keep it in good shape. Thank you for watching. Watch our other driving videos. Soon I'll make extra urban driving POV videos of that car, so I hopefully you enjoy these POVs. Subscribe for more, like, share, and thank you guys. Bye bye for now.